is called, then look at the list, okay?
So we could carry that list the day of the test?
No.
You can't?
No.
Yeah, because then you'll have
Okay.
Multiple choice?
From there, you get up in here.
Why isn't it? It's all blurry.
Can you find yours, Marissa? Your epitrochlearis?
Yeah.
Did you triceps? Come over here.
Oh,
Did we do yours?
I had like goo
We did.
on the
I'll
lens.
show you in a minute. Okay. When you get up in this area right here, do you see that big, thick rope-like one right there?
Yes.
That's your biceps brachii.
Biceps brachii.
So epi, remember,
to it.
is on top.
FET.
That's right. That'd be right here.
Mhm.
FET. FET. And that's that. Bicep
Bicep brachii.
brachii.
Brachii. Bicep brachii. Bicep brachii. FET and bicep brachii.
FET.
And bicep brachii.
Okay, this is your FET, your epitrochlearis, okay? So
Yeah.
T stands for triceps, so remember it's covering the triceps.
And what's that called again?
Bicep brachii.
Biceps brachii, those are your bone.
Biceps brachii.
You see that right there?
Right here.
That's your bicep
brachii.
brachii.
See that?
Yes.
Just that one?
Yep. It's when you do this, it's that.
That's a really good shot right there. Bicep
Really?
brachii.
Yep.
Brachii. Okay.
Do the contrast.
That's this one. When you do this, it's that one right there.
Oh, like a little one.
Okay.
Okay?
How far does that extend? That comes all the way over
So
here?
it's like, comes from up here on all the way down.
Okay.
And you can see it on mine.
So that's FET.
Mm-hmm. There's the FET, epitrochlearis. There's my biceps brachii right there. Okay?
Okay.
You guys feel better?
Yes.